Hey guys, in this Viral Ecom Adz review and tutorial video, we are going to take a look at the Viral Ecom Adz platform, which is my opinion the best way to get high-quality ad creatives for your e-commerce products. I will show you how their platform works and share my experiences with their platform. But first, if you want to check them out yourself, you can click the link in the description and also get 15% off. On Viral Ecom Adz, you can get several ad packages, like video ads, image ads, and AI, and human user-generated video ads. I've bought several of their packages before. Their ads have always performed really well and saved me a lot of time and money on editors and software. These AI UGC ads will get you, from my experience, the most sales thanks to the social proof aspect. If you order the human UGC ads, you'd also need to ship the product for the recording, which is why I prefer the AI UGC ads, as I can get the creatives faster. You can also use the Viral Ecom Creators platform and choose the creators to hire yourself. But now let me show you an example of an AI UGC ad for a dropshipping store in the women's products niche.
Okay ladies, I'm obsessed with this. It's a lifesaver during that time of the month. This menstrual heating pad, total game changer. It gives instant relief, is super comfortable, and you can wear it anywhere. Trust me, you need this in your life. Get yours today.
As you can see, the ad is perfectly structured to mention all of the product's benefits while catching the viewer's attention, and is very relatable to the target audience. If you want to order such an ad, click the link in the description, go to Packages and select the AI UGC ad option. You will see two different options: AI UGC ads for TikTok, which could of course also be used for Instagram Reels, and UGC ads for Facebook. The main difference is the dimensions of the ad, so choose your package depending on the desired placement. They also offer split testing packages, which I think are more worth it, as they further increase the performance of your ads. Ordering on Viral Ecom Adz is simple. All you need to do is place your order, complete a short submission form about your product, and you will receive the ad creatives in 1 to 3 days. If you want to make some changes to the ad creative, you can also request unlimited revisions. By using this platform, you'll be already saving a lot of money than if you separately hired an editor. But if you want to save even more money, you can check out their VIP membership, with which you'll get 75% off on their ad creative packages, faster delivery time and support, and much more. Now let's talk about the results. Viral Ecom Adz has generated over $30 million in sales thanks to its powerful ad creatives. As you can see, they have hundreds of reviews from customers who are getting a lot of sales, such as Artem, who made over $20,000 in revenue just last month, and many others. Thank you for watching till the end. If you are interested in getting proven to convert ad creatives for your ecom or dropshipping store, make sure to check Viral Ecom Adz out. The special link to their website with 15% off discount is included in the description.